Hey, guess what, world? I get the best people in the house here. We're here at a fundraiser for Read to Me International. And you know what? The greatest people of all, but who's the fastest chef? The man in the bag! Big Shaka! And who's the fastest chef? I'm the fastest, right? Not the bestest, I'm the fastest, right? Yeah, Big Shaka! It's coming! Welcome to the Man and the Pen. I'm really excited here. I'm at Pagoda Restaurant using the kitchen. And I first want to say thank you, Mrs. Ogimoto, from Waianae store and Nana Kula store made me this beautiful apron. In fact, it adjusts inside. Look at it. You small, medium, large. Okay? Awesome. Today I'm going to do something real special. I grew up in the sugar plantation, and there we went to catch river ʻŌpae, and the thing was like real ʻŌno. But now you cannot find river ʻŌpae. Look at this. Pretty soon we'll sell this at KTA. We have small baby shrimp from Kauaʻi. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Wow. I'm going to cook it just like how I cook it on the Big Island. First of all, I put on the fire and I'm heating up the pan. I put a little oil, okay, just in the pan, just to cover the bottom. Okay, make sure I heat it up now, okay, and don't make the fire too hot. And I got my shrimp, unbelievable shrimp. I think this is the kind of shrimp all the Filipino men used to go and catch. Filipino man, this is naimas. Woo, naimas, that's the one. Okay, when we're waiting for the pan to get hot, and in the meantime, I just want to thank all of you. Tonight, I'm going to cook something real special. It's a foundation dinner for Read to Me Foundation International. And it's a dinner that myself and I have several other sushi chefs over here. We are going to prepare a dinner for a fundraiser, okay? And we have some really amazing guests tonight. So, you know, it's going to start with this shrimp, okay? Because I want them to eat something that's so different. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. I just put about 2 pounds of shrimp in here, okay? Stir it around. Okay, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to stir up and cook the shrimp, okay? And make it a little until it all comes red and crispy. I want to thank Suisan company and Fresh Kauaʻi Shrimp for giving me this nice shrimp here. And hopefully we can see these things here on the market. You know, this is plantation style. Plantation style, all what you do is put sugar, you put shoyu, and of course you put chili pepper. And I don't have the kind of Hawaiian pepper, so I just use the chili pepper flakes. Okay, get it there and then stir it around. Mix it up, Derek. Mix it up. You know, this is so much better than catching the ʻŌpae from the river because you don't have all of that rubbish in it. You don't have to clean the guava leaf that falls in the river. That's why farm-raised products, right? It's always clean, okay? Okay, I'm cooking it until the thing turns red. There you go. I did the first batch, okay? I'm gonna put them right in the pan, okay? Because what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stuck it in the oven. Okay, have it softened, open it up and stir it up. Stir it up because we want it nice and crispy. Okay, just leave it in a little while. Here we go, taking it out. Whoo! Hot. Okay, there you go. ʻŌpae, I had it in the oven, roasting to kind of dry it up. Here we go. Oh! Oh, wow. Oh! It's so ʻŌno. Wow! Broken. Until next time, we'll see you on the Man and the Pen. Aloha.